Hey everyone, it's Alyssa with So Fancy. Happy Thursday. I cannot believe how quickly this month is flying by. I hate to say it sometimes, but it is. When you hop on, say hello. Let me know that you're here. I'm just getting my computer set up for us. And how are y'all doing today? Where are you checking in from? Say hi. It's kind of overcast today. Oh, here we go. But have you guys seen the mirrored stacked words that are out right now? And they seem to be everywhere that I look at anyways, the pages that I'm on. And we have a great bundle that is on sale right now through Monday. And it is half off right now. It's normally $6. It is on sale for $3. And it has 12 different Christmas words or winter words done in it in the stacked wording, mirrored, stacked. I've seen a couple different ways. This one is called the Buffalo Plaid Christmas Mirror Words Bundle. Say that one 10 times fast. But it's got 12 files, like I said, which comes out to $1 each. And you can't even make them that quickly or that easily. We've got a couple people. Hi from North Dakota, Oklahoma, Vermont. Hi, everyone. One of the words in this I chose was joyful. Oh, and it's actually right. This is actually mirrored because I printed this off on the StarCraft Printable HTV format. So when you use the light one, don't forget you have to mirror. But this is what we're working with today. And there's 12 of these words. There's joyful, there's Christmas, there's believe, and joy. I don't even know what all are in there. I can't remember offhand. But how fun are these? And it comes in the Buffalo Plaid already done. Now remember, if you watched one of our other videos, you can change the color of the Buffalo Plaid. You can use these files on Sublimation. If you have a Sublimation printer, you can print those off. If you've got the StarCraft Printable HTV, if you have Easy Subli, you can use these files on there. Cricut users, you can put these files on in your design space and just cut them with regular vinyl, which is one of the other things that I did. If you guys don't have an inkjet printer or a Sublimation printer, you can still use some of these I think all of the Sublimation files, because they still come SVG, PNG, JPG, all of the different formats that you would need to be able to use them. So on this one, I was going to put it on this cute little raglan that I have. However, it's very small, and when I printed it out, I didn't make it small enough. My printout to actually put on. So I'm going to wait on that until I can get a raglan that's better sizing, so I kind of don't waste that one. But I did cut it out using printed HTV and glitter, because I wanted to show that you can still do these files without having a printer of Sublimation type or inkjet. So I'm going to pull you over and switch you over so you can see my laptop and show you on here. So here's a file that I pulled in from our site, and it's going to come in like this. Now again, if you're going to leave it like this to print it, you remember on lights, you have to mirror. You want to make sure that you flip this, just like you do with printable, with HTV, with Siser or with glitter. You want to mirror your image. And we're going to leave it like this because we are going to cut it on glitter and, well, the other word we will switch out. But, so your word comes in like this. Your words come stacked, are ready to go. You can print them off like this. Or if you don't have the printer, you can release your compound path, which that'll change, but you're okay. And then you want to ungroup. And what that's going to do, I actually didn't want to do that. Sorry about that. You want to ungroup, because you are going to be able to take away, that's not what I wanted, sorry, didn't go back far enough. There we go. You want to ungroup. When you ungroup, you can take off your buffalo plaid here. And you're just left with your words. So then what you can do is you want to ungroup. You want to release your compound path from here. That will change. But you want to just grab that word and group it. And you can take it aside. And then you're going to cut this and whatever you want to group this again so that you can move it around. Otherwise, you'll have each piece coming off. You can then cut this in your glitter or just Siser or whatever. Sorry, it's a little blurry. I'm trying to hold it still, Jean. And then with this word, and I'll show you, this is actually, it's all still here, your cut lines. Oh, where'd it go? There it is, right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. So when you go to send it, if you don't have an inkjet or sublimation, you can still use these files. You don't even have to do it on Printable HTV. You can use, I'm going to flip you back around. See my little room there. You can use just plain HTV colored. Like again, I've got some glitter and I've got this, and I'm going to flip you down to show you what we've got, because I'm going to weed it out here for you. And at least I hope I am. There we go. This one's an easy one. And I mirrored this. I didn't want to mirror this. I'm going to cut this really quick. Again, not mirrored. So that we could do this the right way. See what happens when you try to go fast on a live? Horizontally. Hold on a second. I'm going to print it out, or I'm going to cut it again really quick. But give me 1 second. Let me grab this again. Isn't that fun when you do that? I love that. Always the wrong way. That's why you need to remember, mirror, don't mirror. Oh, I can't actually. Okay, so we're going to wait on this one because I have moved my laptop. I cannot, I don't have my Cameo hooked up to it because I unplugged it. But I will show you how this comes out. And I just heated this up on my heat press, rubbed it on there so that I could, there's a lot of little pieces to this because you've got all of the cutouts of your words. Try to get in there so you guys can see. There we go. And you want to make sure that you pull away the correct. You want to leave the outline. I took you guys off my screen so I can't see comments here. Let's move you back. Cold and miserable in England. Wow. I'm in New England and it's a little cold and miserable today. So, do you guys have sublimation? Have you used it? Do you love it? Do you have inkjet? What's your favorite medium here? And if you tried these print and cuts with the buffalo plaid and the designs or the patterns already in it. I really like them. I love the fact that it's already done. And I'm loving these stacked letters. I've seen so many files out there recently with this. So fun. So different. It kind of reminds me of like, I don't know why, but like almost like the 70s or something. There was a time when it seemed like these letters were really big. Everything always makes a comeback, doesn't it? And pull these away. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this part on, and then I'm going to, when we get off, I will go back and recut that when I hook back up my Cameo, so that you can see how it is all finished, and why it's important to always remember to mirror. Oh, this way it's going to be much easier. Note to self, top down, easy. You guys see how easy that one's coming off? Uh-oh, I have a little one that didn't make the cut. But we will get that back on. There we go. Let me just put this back on. Okay, so as you can see, there's this part of it. I'm going to move you over to the heat press. I've already got my raglan. I'm going to do a little preheat. Make sure I've got it on there. Put it. Make sure I've got it in the middle. Actually, might as well check and make sure that we've got it in the middle. And I don't know if you guys do this. Fold it in half, find your middle, make a small crease. We could put our outline out. And because we're going to put another press on this, I'm only going to do this for a few seconds just to get it down, and then I'll do a full press once I get the other part on my other word. But look at how awesome that looks already. And I don't know if you can see the glitter, but how fun is that? And that part you don't get with the printable HTV. No glitter. But I think that they may have printable glitter. But again, there's so many options. And you can switch these files around, which is really fun. Sorry about that. Couldn't get my camera back up. But I'll put the other word on. I will flip this around. I know it goes right this way, but if I put it on my shirt right now, it's going to be backwards. But again, this is just printed HTV. I would put the carrier on and transfer it over, which I'll put on and then you can see it. But again, this file is good until, it's on sale until Monday, the 14th, and the Buffalo Plaid Christmas Mirror Words Bundle. I had to write it down so I would remember it. But I put the link up top. I put the link up for printable HTV, glitter HTV. And I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.